So in today's video, we discuss how to use one bitter kola to expose anyone behind your problem, or if you believe that you have been caused. So you need one bitter kola on Tuesday night before you sleep. Off the lights, close your eyes. Remove the cover of the bitter kola, then close your eyes. Use knife to cut the bitter kola into two. So when you cut it into two, you must close your eyes while doing this. So pick the bitter kola and you say your intention. You rub it in your hand, then throw it on the floor. Immediately you throw it on the floor, you open your eyes. Then take the one in your right hand, you eat it. The second one in your left hand, the side you cut the bitter kola, that side, place it on the floor and you leave it. When you wake up in the morning, go and check the bitter kola. Any position you find the bitter kola, take it and raise it up. Say your intention, curse your enemies, you understand. Then bury the bitter kola. On Wednesday, you must finish it.